Hello everyone, my name is Farhan Farouk, and in this presentation I will present on cloud computing, and I will talk about Google Drive, which is one of the cloud computing technologies out there at the moment. So what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. So cloud computing can be done in three locations, which by which I mean it could be a public cloud, whereas the resources are shared among a community of users. Private cloud, where the service that is controlled and it is very exclusive to one user. And the third is a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the ability to move workloads between private and public platforms. And cloud computing comes as in terms of three things. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. In infrastructure as a service, what happens is that outsourcing of elements of infrastructure like visualization, storage, networking, and load balancing takes place. For platform as a service, core hosting operating system and optional building block services allow you to run your own applications. And for the last one, which is software as a service, it is consumed as a service only for the applications needed. And there are pros and cons of cloud computing. The main ones, like main advantages, are the scale and cost. You can easily scale up, and the cost of scaling is not that high. Secondly, there's a lot of choice and agility, and then a newer technology or the next generation architectures are always available very quickly. However, the cons could be that you have to lock into a service, there could be security concerns, there could be lack of control and ownership, and lastly, reliability. But overall, advantages are higher in terms of disadvantages. Google Drive is one of the cloud computing technology, and it is basically as a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google, and it was launched on April 24th, 2012. Google Drive allows users to store files on their servers and synchronize files across devices and share files. The business model and the strategy used by Google Drive is freemium strategy, whereas it gives 15 GB of data for a user for free, and if you want more you have to pay $2 per month for 100 GB. For 1 TB it is $9.99 per month, and for more than 10 TB terabytes it is around $100. So it uses a freemium strategy to attract and retain customers. Google Drive has a lot of competition. The main big competitors are OneDrive, Dropbox, and Box. They also follow a similar strategy of freemium. So for OneDrive, you see that the free storage offered is 15 GB, which is similar to Google Drive. Dropbox offers a lower one at 2 GB, and Box offers a 10 GB free storage. And then the payment plans differ slightly for these competitors. And what happens is that the subscription plans, let's say for OneDrive, it has a subscription plan for $2 per month for 100 GB, $4 for 200 GB, and $7 for 1 terabyte. Similarly for Box, you will see that $11.50 per month for 100 GB, $6 per month per user for business plans. And similarly, these competitors have similar strategies as Google Drive, and as a result, there is a very strong competition between them. Google Drive as cloud computing has a lot of advantages and some disadvantages as well. So the main advantages include that you can keep work in a central location easily, you can share and work on the files stored at Google Drive. Secondly, the docs, sheets, slides as a and Gmail as a base with a variety of options available with Google extensions. So you can automatically sync, and there's a free storage as well. when collaborating, you can easily see what stage the group is at, and this Google Drive is accessible on different medium, so this tablet, laptop, and phone, and data is securely stored under Google security and privacy policy. However, the disadvantages are minor, which include internet connection. You require stable internet connection for effective working. I require good organizational skills to keep folders and files in order, and requires a Gmail account to access. So the recommendation basically is Google Drive is a valuable collaborative tool for businesses of any size. Google places high importance on data security. Many large organizations are using this tool well, and it is one of the finest cloud computing tool out there in the market.